sure did have to get windy. Thank you, Mother Nature. At least I live in California. There ain't no snow. Well, in the part I live anyway. Hey, welcome to my backyard. It's your backyard cook, Kirby. Now I'm here today with something awesome. I'm gonna be making a chicken torta. Basically, it's a Mexican version of a sandwich or a sub, but it is pretty good. Out here in California, almost every taco shop or restaurant has a torta on their menu. They make them in many different ways, but today I'm gonna be doing it with chicken. So here's my chicken breast. What I did is I filleted it in half. Now I got a little bit thinner of a slice, and I'm gonna be marinated with Chef Morito's chicken seasoning. This stuff goes good with Mexican food. If you're making Mexican food and you're using chicken and you don't want to hassle on making your own marinades or rubs or whatever, this is what you want to use. You can splash some lemon on your chicken and apply this on there and it comes out really good. So I'm going to season these really quick. I'm not going to be putting the lemon like I normally do, but I'm going to just be using this right here. This is some good seasoning. Alright, so I got my fillets out there. Now this seasoning goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot. Just give it a gradual amount over the top. Now, like I said earlier, if you want to give it a little extra kick, you can actually soak your meat in some lemon juice before you apply your seasoning, and it gives you just that little added flavor. Okay, so I'm back. I just washed my hands after marinating the meat. I am doing this outside, but you can do this inside. You can do it on a frying pan to saute your chicken. But I love grilling. This is like my comfort zone, so I'll be doing it outside. So I am grilling it on low-medium heat, and you want to hit the temperature of 165 degrees. So let's get to it. Alright, let's get this going. Okay, now that we have our chicken breast on the grill, basically we're going to be cooking about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, but you need to make sure that it hits a temperature of 165 degrees. That's very important, so we don't get nobody sick. So before I started doing everything, all I did was slice up some purple onion, tore up a little bit of romaine lettuce, and I sliced up some tomatoes. And then we are going to be garnishing it with some avocado. Nothing better than fresh avocado. Alright, these look like they're about ready to flip. Alright, for the type of bread we're using, we are using the bolillo, however you say it. I call it birote. That's how I grew up calling it, as a birote. But this is a whole grain wheat birote that I got at our local donut shop. So basically I'm going to just give it a slice. It smells good. That fresh bread. Basically what I'm going to be just doing is just putting a little bit of butter all over it.
As I put it on the grill, I'm gonna be putting some more butter up on top before I flip it. All right, let's check the temperature of one of these. We are at 170 degrees. That one's done. Yeah, as you fillet these dinner, it cooks a lot faster. Yeah, these are done. They're a lot smaller, so I'm pretty sure these are gonna hit 10. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take these off.
Now that we have our chicken cooked, now we're gonna just heat up our bread. Pretty easy from there. Right there. Alright, that looks about good right there. Get that little toast. Alright, got a toasted birote there. Alright, so at the local donut shops, what they do is they put mayonnaise on both sides, so that's all I'm going to do on this one. No other sauces. You could add ketchup if you want, but I need just a little bit of mayonnaise. Extra calories. It's good. Piece of that chicken. Now, this chicken breast ain't gonna fit the whole thing. If you had a little bit bigger of a bread, take it. Nice and delicious though. Alright, for the cheese we are gonna be doing pepper jack. I love pepper jack on my sandwiches. This, you can use any cheese you want. Pretty good with cheddar also, American, Swiss. Garnish with some tomatoes. About 4 jalapenos, 2 for each side. Some purple onion. Now a little trick to this, you want to put your lettuce on the top, okay? Since there's mayonnaise right there, it's gonna stick. So now, when you add your avocado, it comes all together. Alright, look at that. So now all you gotta do is just take your top with the lettuce there and just put it on down. Look at that. Let's give this a slice. Ah, that's a big old heaping mouthful of goodness right there. Alright, you seen how I made it. Now we gotta taste it. nice big bite right there. Look at that. All right, get in. Mmm. Really delicious. You get the freshness of the vegetables right away. It gives you that crunch. But the main thing is that seasoning of the chicken. Really good. Then you got the crunchy exterior of the bread. It's really good. And then you get that hint of the pepper jack cheese, you know, in the background notes with the jalapenos. Really good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Well, folks, that's it for today. I have to go feed my family. If you like what you've seen today, hit that like button. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job and I'm meeting your guys' satisfaction. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so that way you can see my new videos. If there's anything that you want me to make, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. As always, take care.